Okay, children. Today we are learning the alphabet R. How to write the alphabet R. I will be showing you. Okay? Now see. From the third line, I start from the third line. I go up to the second line in a slanting way, make a loop, touch the second line again, come down in a curve to the third line and a small cake in the right. Okay? Now I will show writing R again. Okay, now see me. From the third line I start, I go up to the second line in a slanting way, make a loop, touch the second line again, come down to the third line in a curve and a small cake in the right. Okay, now this is the way you should practice how to write R. Now children, we will be doing the picture reading with the alphabet R. And R says R. R says R. R. Reading. R. Rainbow. R. Rubber bands. R. Robo. R. Reporter. R. Rat. Okay? So now you can recognize the pictures. Okay? Now this is the way you will practice at home. Okay? Now I will see you in the next class. Bye.